good to see you. Today, I've got this Noisy Farm book, and I thought we could read it together. Do you want to read it with me? Let's do it. Let's see what we've got on the cover. There's a cow, a piggy, and some little chicks. They say, cheep, 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 cheep. Let's press this cow. Ooh, the cow said moo. This is a cow. She lives in a barn with her calf. The cow likes to eat grass. Can you moo like a cow? Let's moo together. Moo, moo. Let's pat the cow to hear her moo. Moo. Let's do it again. Can you moo like that cow? Moo! Moo! Wow, good job mooing. Let's see what else we've got. Wow, this is a rooster. He wakes up the farm each day with a loud crow. He lives with the hens and the chicks. Here's one rooster. And how many chicks we've got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you crow like a rooster? I'll do it with you. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Let's ruffle the rooster's feathers to hear him cock-a-doodle-doo. Ready? You say on and I'll press it on. On. Let's do it again. Wow! Let's crow together like a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Wow, great job crowing. Wow, this is a piggy. These are piglets. They are baby pigs. They like to play in the straw and roll in the mud. They have curly little tails. Can you oink like a piglet? I'll do it with you. Oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. Tickle the piglet's ear to hear him oink. Let's do it again. Will you oink with me? Let's press the piggy again. You say on and I'll press it on. On. How fun. Wow, these are lambs. Lambs are baby sheep. They like to jump and play. Can you baa like a lamb? Let's hear you. Baa. Baa. Can you baa? Baa. Great job. Rub the lamb's fleece to hear her baa. I'll press it on. You say on. Ready? On. Baa. Let's press it again. Ready? Baa! Let's hear you baa one more time. Ready? Baa! Good job! This is a horse with her foal. The horses are the fastest animals on the farm when they gallop. Can you neigh like a horse? Neigh! Neigh! Wow, great job neighing. This is a mama horse with her baby horse. Aww. Touch the horse's mane to hear her neigh. Ready? Wow. Neigh! They go like that. Neigh! Wow, let's neigh again together. Ready? Neigh! Neigh! So cool. Now that you have visited the farm, which animal is your favorite? Which animal do you like? Cow, sheep, horse, rooster, or a pig? Which one do you like? That one? It's hard to choose. They're all really cute. I think I'll have to say the sheep is my favorite because it's so cute and fluffy. Let's press it to hear all the animals again. Ready? Let's listen. Wow, let's press that again. Wow, what a great book. Thank you so much for helping me learn about animals and doing their sounds. It was really fun visiting the farm with you in a book. Well, that's the end of this video, but if you want to see more videos, make sure to search Paisley's Corner with Silly Miss Lily, and I'll see you there. Bye-bye!